Friday morning, just got to my mum and dad's and it is so windy as per usual. I'm a bit later than normal because I had some of the jobs that I didn't get done last night I wanted to finish off today, and we were late last night because we had escapee chickens. So we have 2 sets of hens that have hatched eggs off. Well, one hatched 1 and then the other has hatched 6. So there's one in here with her chick, and then she has 6 chicks in there, and they were the other way around. So we decided last night we would swap them round when they'd gone to bed. So we shut these, there was the hen and her 6 in there, and then she'd already gone to bed. So we grabbed her, and unfortunately her chick, which is the copper maran, which is the only one that hatched out of quite an expensive batch of eggs, so the sort of the high value one, ran off, and it went into all this undergrowth and we couldn't get it again. And this hen, she's mine, she's come from mine, and she's never been outside before because I have them in a really big run. So we ended up having to just hope that they would find one another, so we let her out. And anyway, my mum sent me a photo of them penned up together, so they seem happy. And these guys are so much better because they have so much more space. So we think you're a cockerel, and you, because you have big red comb, you're a hen. And then there's 3 of these greyish ones, which a friend gave me these eggs. So that's probably, that could, I don't know, getting a bit of a comb, but them 2 are definitely hens. But yeah, so just getting ready to feed up. It feels like it's going to be a really hot day, or it probably would be really hot if it weren't so windy. We have to go and check on the ewes we've moved to some other grazing. Let's check that they're okay, and just got the general sort of feeding up to do. Today's, well, this morning's job. Just feeding lambs. Oh, Mr. Jacob. There's my little poster girl. Yeah, it's out. I'm not quite sure what that one is doing. Playing in the ring feeder. Hopefully start getting a pull out of these for some star lamb sales. I think majority at Valley are, fingers crossed, spoken for. And there's 2 wethers left, so if anybody wants any Valley black nose leather lambs, I have 2 left. Hopefully I sold a couple at Jacob Gimmer lambs as well. Start pulling out a few stars for next month. It's a lovely day out. But as you can see, it's a nice gimmer. I really like this gimmer. I'm quite reluctant to sell her because I know she's come from a good line. Yeah, my dad's coming to do your water. Yeah, as you can see, grass is disappearing quickly again. No rain, it's forecast. We had that storm that hit on Monday, but it's been so windy ever since. It's just wicked any moisture out. The only bit that does grow grass isn't shade of these trees, which they don't seem to like to eat. Whether it's a bit sour. Oh, precious! This is one of my pets that I went all the way up to Hinderwell near Saltburn to get. We needed a pet lamb to go on a ewe that had lost hers. But I didn't want just one if she wouldn't take lamb. So I thought, well, I'll get two. But then I thought, well, what if she does take lamb? Then I still have one. So I got three. I got two Texel givers. And there's a little tuff in here somewhere, little Clayton, who will hopefully do well for us. And next year when we put him in with somebody else. We're looking for kittens. Yeah, the biggest time wasters I've ever known. Oh, there's one here. Selena! Selena! Little girl kitten. I don't think you're meant to be on the table though. I don't. Ignore the empty boxes I've kept back there. Where's your brother? I think he's under here. Oh look, I see. There he is. Ozzy! Little Ozzy. Hehe. What's he doing? He's hiding under there. Hello, little dude. What you doing? Still extremely windy outside. So Mother and I, we are going to BHA, which is our local country store, to get some feed, and then we're going to go and see all the ewes that we've moved off onto some grazing. It's still very windy, as you can see. Am I meant to be recording who everybody is? Oh, look at Jolene, don't you look good? Come on, Puppet. Hello, darlings. Hello, Jessica, don't you look good? Hello, everybody. Hello. Lily. Hi, everybody.
Well, let me go out.
Oh, look, we're about to get horsed. Hey, Pie.
You're a prize winner.
Yeah, you did so well, Bianca. First prize with your fleece. Oh, such a good girl. I'm so proud. Well, who knows? Oh, look. Let's get out of the way of the big horse. Hey, Carol. Oh, look at little Rachel. You look good as well. Yeah. Who's this following me around? Now I'm going to have to use this to record. So we have Lily, there's two Texels, Jennifer, Nibbles, two black uns there. I think that's Victoria and Hilda. Of Bianca, there's Poppy, then there's Belinda, Julie, Nora, Dainty, there's Sasha and other one that I can't remember, Lucia. Then I have SFB, there's Denise, there's Appy, Jolene, then there's, I'll get beeped off YouTube for this, F off and F off sister, Jazz, who somehow sneaked in here, then there's, who's that at back, Jessica, Carol, there's, oh, another Texel at back, Nora, Kiki, oh, and Agnes's lamb. So I don't know how many that is. And what have we got here? Mainly some Jacobs. Everything has horns, barring two. Hellos. Hellos. How are we all doing? Hey, Lulu. Come on. Well done, Demelza. You did okay at Rydale. You got a rosette. Yeah. Oh, Liam. You guys doing alright here? Oh, excuse you. How many is there? 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, share! And he just caught me. We were on.
Holly.
Bit of grass for you to go at, isn't there?
Holly.
Well, I know where there's a biscuit. Thumbelina. Yes, that's you. Hal, Mother has a biscuit for you.
Yeah, alright, Holly.
I'm after a biscuit, she says. Aww. Did you get a bit? Look, Mother's bringing you one now. Share. You haven't to be greedy. Hello, little one. Little Noah. It is still ridiculously windy. It actually feels less windy outside than it sounded like inside while we were having lunch. But anyway, so I have my iPad, the bathroom scales. Mother has a bag of old pillowcases, and we are sorting through fleeces. I have a lady who wants to buy a Jacob fleece off me, so I just need to figure out the weight of it. And then we're going to go through the fleeces we took to the shows, because we sort of just packed them quite hurriedly at the end. I've entered another show later on. I've entered 6 fleeces in that, so we'll be wanting to pick those. And one of the sites that I sell fleeces on, they tend to like you to just list stuff on a Friday so they don't get overwhelmed with posts. So I like to try and list a couple of them when I can on a Friday, so there'll be a few to take photos of and put up. And I try and list it all on my I'm just watching Mother trying to feed the chicks. List it all on my iPad so I'm keeping track, so I don't accidentally sell the same fleece over again. I don't know if you can see. Oh, the chicks are just having their lunch. They're getting so big now and they're so interestingly marked. I'll just stood in the shade for them. Oh, that lass said she's away till next Friday for chickens.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, we've just seen somebody that we bought hens from before. She's got some more up for sale, so we're hopefully going to get a few more off her because they've done really well for us. There's a chicken having a really good dust bath there. You're enjoying yourself, aren't you, lass? And the rest of them are all sat in the shade. It's funny how some of them... What happened then? It's funny how some of them prefer the sun and some of them prefer the shade. I wonder if it's a breed thing. We are... Like, this hen house has ever so many hens in it and we don't get that many eggs out of it, so we're wondering if they're laying them in all of this, which I think is highly likely. And that's where all this scrub is, where my black chick escaped to last night, and we were chasing it for like about an hour, and in the end we just gave up. We let the mother hen out and opened the door to the hen house thinking they'll get back in, and anyway Mum said they were both together and paddling around, so she managed to usher them back into the house, because I think chick is still a bit young maybe to be running around. Sirens in background. You got some eggs? Couple. Looked good size. So that's this afternoon's job. So she's going in this very nice pillowcase. Only the best. And what is she? Jacob out of a Scotch. Well, she's turned into a nice little lamb. Did you see somebody had asked what's a border Leicester like over Jacob's?
Yeah.
And I'd put about ours, and they'd asked if they had any horn knobs. And I said, oh, I didn't think any at Leicester's did, but them Suffolk's we were going out at Scott's have, and obviously she's a Jacob. Well, she was always going to have horns because both her mum and her dad have antler. So she's a Jamie granddaughter, isn't she? Mm-hmm. Who was her mum? Mum. I've seen that she's had 2 lambs, so she reared that real good one, and then obviously we had Rosie. So for something that wouldn't have sold for very much in a market.
Well, she wouldn't have gone as a breeding yard, would she?
No. Whereas
She would have
for
been a
us,
kebab.
she's done really well. Which is where I think we do well with stuff. So she's... I need to find them other ladies that said about coming for fleeces. What are you thinking?
I had a good idea the pump wouldn't be strong enough to lift the water because where it is out.
Right.
It isn't strong enough.
No.
But the thing is, it's a gentle suck. It's not a great.
No.
Sucks all leaves in.
Which might... Because how deep is that bit?
It's still that's a.
Oh, that's another nutrition tub on its end, isn't it?
Yes.
So it's still like
Still
a good,
deep.
yeah.
Would you feel it shallower at your end? A little bit.
But it's still going to be over welly tops at this end, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh God. You let me stroke you? No. Funny, aren't you? What eggies? Have been power hour'd. I think we're waiting for it to be cloud nest, but all of this, and it extends to where that big shed is over there. There's a hedge line, and then it goes round the back of them buildings there, even further back, and we're hoping to have it all put down to grass, so we'll hopefully have, oh look at crows over there, hopefully have more grazing for the sheep, which will be good. We can rest some of our other fields, or even get some fresh lays thingied in, but also so we can hopefully make some of our own hay, and then it's something else we're not buying in. They're less of us rubbish. I'm hoping to collect that. These are me, 3 of my pets. Little Winston's just a little bit small, so that's why they're not out at big field. And these two are meant to be keeping him company, but I think they're big bullies, really. So like, we've been having to buy haylage, which is very annoying. So Mother and I have sorted through a few fleeces, there's a few more to do. I've listed a couple, and we're looking at herdwick fleeces now, because the class that we're entering, one of them is for coloured fleeces. So we have some herdy fleeces. Oh, this is a bit of black that I want to tack to some. Lass wants some for like crafty projects with her kiddies, so I'm gonna tack her a bag load of stuff so she can have a play with that, and then it'll be time to feed up. Having a good time scratching about with a lot. Where are you laying your eggs?